Okay, so Joe, Yaha, and I are here at Goodwill, and we have a competition today. The rules are you have to find one item. It has to be $20 or less, and then we're gonna go home. We're each gonna transform it, and you guys get a vote on who did it best.
I'm obviously gonna win. I think that'd be great. I mean, anything I touch will turn to gold. So, I don't know, just gotta find the right thing here. Joe's gonna win, he will.
So I'm thinking of getting like a lamp and then some books, and maybe I can turn some books and a lamp into something cool.
All right, guys, I found this chair in the wrong section, and I think it's gonna be a winner. Look at this. $3.99, baby. So since I have some extra cash to spend, I am going to look around. These are some extra fabrics lying around here. Sometimes I just want Meg's opinion on this stuff. All right, so this is $4.99. All in, I'm under 10 bucks.
So I will do this first, and I will like painting on it. Just around. Let's see. I think it's perfect.
Okay, so I'm gonna paint a stack of books, and it was more about size than what they're about. So we're gonna read about Weird But True, Wooden, Leadership, Hugs for Girlfriends, and for Men Only. So I'll let you know what I learned before I paint these books.
Just these four, you're at 1707.
Man, 2027. I assumed. I mean, it's over.
Yeah, it's like could be wrong.
It's 20 bucks.
Yeah, lose a book.
Yeah.
If you text this, or if you text me.
Yeah.
All right. So it will be
11.75.
You may be
11.75.
spending the least, but let's see what you do with it.
All right, let's do this. Let's go.
Honor Prada when you have a world map bag. We've chosen the pieces, and now we've got to make them beautiful so that you can decide who the winner is. First one to it gets it. First, I started my project off with our DIY furniture paint in Weldon White. And then I added Dust of Ages on top of the wax, and then I might add a little bit of dark wax to it too.
I chose this light gray, and I've got a light gray shirt, so I hope they look good together, but if not, I'll just add a darker color to create more of a contrast.
The little part of the bag I chose is beautiful, so I'm taping it off and painting the rest black.
I was the only one doing a piece of vintage furniture, so I had to go in with the clean slate just to get the grime off this piece.
I'm taping off all the details so I can start the painting. It's gonna take a while, but it will be worth it.
We're going dark. I thought the grays looked too much alike, and it needs some contrast.
I am almost finished with the bag. It turned out amazing. I can't wait to wear it.
I didn't want to make it a perfect painted look. I wanted to have some vintage character.
Not to toot my own horn, but I think mine looked the best.
In his dreams.
Who made it better?
It's up to you to decide.